name is Jeff Harris. I'd just like to take a quick minute and share with you an experience I had taking one of Terri's webinars over the last couple weeks. The webinar was based on motivation and relighting your fire. And a big takeaway that I took from that webinar was very simply just having the presence of mind to be able to reevaluate where I am with my goal setting and how it relates back to my values. And oftentimes we lose sight of that and we just try to throw goals and try to achieve them. But making sure that it's aligned with what I personally want to accomplish was it was very meaningful, and I took a lot from that. And again, most of it was around sense of awareness and sense of myself. So if you have not been on one of Terri's webinars, you're not taking advantage of any personal development or professional development, I would highly recommend doing so. Feel free to reach out to Terri. At the very least, have a conversation and learn how Terri's going to be able to help you become a better you, again, professionally or personally. Thank you and have a great day.